Today we're making a very easy, cozy dinner. Garlic Alfredo chicken meatballs with spinach. This is one of those meals that feel like comfort food, but is actually really simple. Serve over pasta, rice, or whatever you have. And guess what? Dinner solved. So here I'm just gonna get my cheese ready, and I always grate my Parmesan fresh because it melts smoother and gives you a creamier sauce. The pre-shredded versions, they have anti-caking agents, so they don't incorporate the same way. And for this recipe, we're starting with ground chicken because it's lean, it needs support, and that's where the breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and egg come in. They're gonna create a structure and hold the moisture so the meatballs stay soft instead of rubbery. So you need garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. These go in for a balanced base. You want enough seasoning inside the meatball so every bite is flavorful and not just the sauce. And when you mix this, use a light hand. Overmixing develops too much protein, and that's what makes meatballs dense. We're looking for just combined. So now I'm shaping these into small, even meatballs so they cook at the same rate. Just try to get all the meatballs the same size because this actually really helps. Now into a hot skillet with olive oil. We're searing, not fully cooking. This step is all about developing color and flavor. That golden crust is going to translate directly into the sauce later. And once they're browned on all sides, take them out and set them aside. They'll finish cooking gently in the sauce. Now for me, I think this is the most important step. Do not wipe the pan. That brown layer on the top is the fond and its concentrated flavor. And when we build the sauce on top of it, it dissolves into the cream and gives you depth without adding anything extra. I mean, if you did not know this, now you know. Stop wiping out the extra fond inside the pan. So add butter, then fresh garlic, and let it cook just until fragrant. You don't want to brown the garlic, we're just infusing the fat. And now the cream goes in. As it heats, it lifts that fond from the bottom of the pan, which is exactly what we want. This is how you build a sauce that tastes layered instead of flat. And this is what you're looking for. The sauce coats the back of a spoon and holds a clean line when you swipe it. That's how you know it's perfectly thickened. Next, I'm going to add Parmesan and stir until the sauce is smooth and glossy. The cheese thickens the cream and adds that salty, nutty depth. The spinach goes in last so it stays vibrant and just barely wilted, and it cuts through the richness and makes the dish feel balanced. So return the meatballs to the pan, cover, and let them finish cooking gently in the sauce. That's going to keep them tender and let them absorb all that flavor. And you can definitely see how creamy the sauce is. This for me is a perfect example of how a few simple techniques, seasoning properly, not overmixing, and using the fond can turn a basic dinner into something that feels elevated. And if you like dinners that are simple, repeatable, and actually work for real life, that's exactly what my dinner system is built for. And if you're local, I also offer weekly meal plans so you don't have to think about what's for dinner. It's already done for you. This is exactly what I mean when I say simple dinners can still feel elevated. This is one of those meals you can put on rotation and it never gets old.